12 ways to use egg for hair loss. Hair loss is a common problem almost everyone faces at some point in their lives. Losing 80 to 100 hair strands per day is considered normal. But it becomes a matter of concern when a person starts losing clusters of hair while wiping the hair with a towel or combing the hair. Excessive hair loss leads to thinning of hair, receding hairline and baldness. Few reasons for hair loss include genetics, certain illnesses, medications, poor diet, stress, etc. Thankfully, there are a number of natural home remedies using ingredients such as eggs to control hair loss successfully. Is egg useful for preventing hair loss? The healthy fatty acids present in egg yolk moisturize the scalp and hair, maintains it smooth and prevents hair breakage. Compound lecithin found in egg yolk is a type of protein that minimizes frizz and reduces tangling, one of the reason for hair loss. Vitamin E present in eggs control sebum production in the scalp and treats dandruff. Vitamin E present in eggs protects the hair and scalp from sun damage. How to use egg for hair loss. Eggs can be used alone or in combination with other natural ingredients to treat hair loss. We have mentioned them below with a detailed description. 1. Egg mask. Break couple of eggs in a bowl. Whisk it with a spoon till it becomes frothy. Apply it to your scalp and hair thoroughly. Wear a shower cap and leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour. Wash your hair with cold water followed by a mild shampoo. Repeat the process 3 times in a week. 2. Egg and yogurt pack. Yogurt is a rich source of vitamin B5 and vitamin D, both of which nourish the hair follicles and prevent hair loss. Antifungal properties of yogurt prevent hair loss caused by fungal infections of the scalp. Break an egg into a bowl, whisk it with a fork and set aside. Take 2 tablespoons of yogurt in another bowl and whisk it as well. Now, combine the 2 ingredients and mix it thoroughly with a spoon. Apply this mixture to your wet scalp and along the hair. Put on a shower cap and leave it on for an hour. Wash it off thoroughly with water followed by a mild shampoo. Repeat the process 2 times in a week. 3. Egg and honey mask. Honey is a natural emollient that helps to keep the scalp and hair well moisturized. It increases the elasticity of the hair strands that prevents breakage. The antiseptic and antibacterial properties of honey fight off fungal and bacterial scalp infections that cause hair loss. Break an egg in a bowl and whisk it thoroughly with a spoon. Add a tablespoon of honey to it and mix it well. Apply this mixture all over your scalp and hair. Tie up your hair in a bun and wait for an hour. Wash off with water followed by a mild shampoo. Repeat the process once in a week. 4. Egg and lemon hair pack. Fresh lemon juice is loaded with vitamin C, folic acid, B-complex vitamins and antioxidants that nourish the hair roots and prevent scalp infections. Lemon juice also promotes blood circulation to the scalp. It opens up the clogged hair roots by cleansing away dirt, dandruff and other impurities from the scalp. Crack a couple of eggs in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice to it and beat it well to make a frothy mixture. Massage this mixture all over your scalp and hair from root to tip. Wear a shower cap and leave it on for an hour. Wash off with cool water followed by a mild shampoo. Repeat the process once in a week. 5. Egg and olive oil massage. The intense moisturizing properties of olive oil prevent dryness of the scalp and hair. It fights off dandruff, which is one of the main causes of hair loss. In addition, massaging the scalp with olive oil promotes blood circulation and minimizes hair breakage. Break an egg into a bowl and whisk it thoroughly with a fork. Add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to it and whisk it again. Apply this mixture all over your wet scalp and hair. Put on a shower cap and wait for a couple of hours. Rinse with cool water followed by a mild shampoo. Repeat the method 2 times in a week. 6. Castor oil and egg mask. Compound retinoleic acid found in castor oil promotes circulation to the scalp and induces hair growth. The powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties of castor oil prevent microbial activity in the scalp and minimize hair loss caused by scalp infections, folliculitis and dandruff. Break an egg in a bowl and whisk it thoroughly with a fork. Add a tablespoon of pure castor oil to it and mix well with the egg. Massage this mixture thoroughly into your scalp and hair. Wear a shower cap and leave it on for an hour. Wash off with cold water followed by a mild shampoo. 7. Egg yolk and coconut oil massage. The healthy fatty acids found in coconut oil bind to the natural proteins in the hair and prevent them from breaking. The antioxidants, vitamins K, E and iron present in coconut oil nourish the hair roots. Combine 1 whisked egg and a tablespoon of coconut oil to it. Apply this mixture all over your scalp and hair. Massage with your fingertips for 5 minutes. Wear a shower cap and leave it on for an hour. Rinse with cold water followed by a mild shampoo. Follow the method 2 times in a week. 8. Egg and fenugreek pack. Fenugreek seeds are a rich source of protein that nourishes the hair follicles and rejuvenates them. In addition, lecithin present in fenugreek strengthens the hair follicles and prevents breakage. Soak 1/2 cup of fenugreek seeds in water for overnight. Strain the seeds and put them in a grinder. Grind them to make a smooth paste. Crack 1 egg on the fenugreek paste and mix it thoroughly with a fork. Apply this mixture all over your scalp and hair. Put on a shower cap and wait for a couple of hours. Wash it off with cold water and mild shampoo. Repeat the treatment once in a week. 9. Amla and egg mask. Amla or Indian gooseberry is a potent source of vitamin C, antioxidants and amino acids that nourish the hair follicles, increase scalp circulation and promote new hair growth. Antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of amla treat hair fall caused by scalp infections. Take 3 to 4 amla and cut them into halves. Discard the seeds and crush them to make a paste. Add 1 egg to the amla pulp and mix it with a spoon. Apply this mixture to your wet scalp and hair. Wear a shower cap and wait for an hour. Wash off with water and a mild shampoo. Follow this treatment once in a week. 10. Egg and avocado mask. The healthy monounsaturated fatty acids present in avocado contains high levels of vitamin E that protects the hair from environmental damage. It is a natural moisturizer that prevents dryness and damage of the hair. Avocado stimulates circulation to the scalp and promotes hair growth. Take 1/2 of a ripe avocado and mash it to form a creamy paste. Add an egg to it and whisk it with a fork. Apply this creamy mixture all over your scalp and hair. Leave it on for an hour. Wash off the application with water and a mild shampoo. Tips and precautions: make sure to wash off your hair with cold water after applying any egg hair packs. Rinsing with warm water will curdle the egg and make it stick to the hair, thus making it difficult to wash off. Use a mild shampoo to wash your hair in order to get rid of the egg smell from the hair. Those with excessively oily hair and scalp should use only the egg whites for these remedies. Those with normal and dry hair can use whole eggs or egg yolk for these remedies. Add essential oils to your hair packs for added benefits. Opt for hot oil massage 2 to 3 times every week. Use chemical-free, herbal hair products to minimize hair damage. Minimize the use of heated styling tools and avoid coloring your hair. Reduce stress and follow a healthy diet rich in healthy fats, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, etc.